Welcome back to the channel everyone. This is day 47 practicing and speaking English to be more fluent and confident. And the topic or agenda or the lesson that I am going to provide in this video is really very helpful for everyone who is a real struggler and who is working hard to achieve something in their life. Like me, I am the one who is continuously working on something, and there are so many tasks related to me that I am doing them in a continuous manner, and it is only known to me that how I am managing everything and what suffocation I am suffering nowadays, and what are the main challenges that I am facing, and what biggest learning I am going to share in this video that I have learned from my experience. The best learning that I have learned was that when we are required to do any task, our mind make us to feel that it is hard, it is boring, we should go for something laziness, we should go for something entertainment that will heal, that will make our dopamine higher, so in that manner we can get more happiness, so that we can enjoy the moment. But we all know that every time is not for enjoyment. There are some times when you have to struggle in your life, when you have to make yourself valuable. For that you have to provide yourself that proper time in which you are meant to have your complete potential for your tasks that are very important to you in your life to shape your overall life. So when I was when I was completing a task today, it took about 1.5 means 1.3 hours to me, and when I made it completed, I realized that okay, now it has done, I must go for some entertainment and other extracurricular activities that made myself cool, because I was thinking that task as a burden for me. I was doing that because it was urgent to me, it was necessary to me, but I was not thinking that it is mandatory part of my life, because for what I am preparing must be a mandate option to me, not an chosen option to me, that when it will be completed I will go to have fun, I will go to have entertainment, I will try to find someone with whom I can talk, with whom I can play, with whom I can make some entertainment, because the main entertainment come from that task that is more required to me. If I am not interested in that task, and if I am interested in that task, then what is the difference between both of them? I have realized that whenever I am interested in something, I made it complete in half of its time. But on that task in which I feel bored or I feel lazy by my side, so it took more than extra time that is required to complete that task. Like last day I was assigned with a task and I was not interested in doing that because it was simple for me, and I thought why I should waste my time to doing such simple tasks. And when I got pressure from the upper side, then I started working on that task, and as I told you that I was not interested doing that task, so what happened to me, I wasted a lot of time, and what was the result at the end? Even providing more than required time to that task, I was not able to complete that particular task. The main reason was that I was not interested in doing that. So all you have to do in your life, that you have to show your interest. If you really want to do something in your life and you know that it is mandatory to you, then you have to show your interest, you have to be interested in that task, even though you think that it is boring, or it is some kind of task that is not required to me, but you know it is part of your life, it is mandatory, then you must make it interested. Our mind works on our own thinking, whatever we will assign to our mind, it will work like that, in that manner. So the learning that I am going to share in this video is that sometimes when we are interested to in some tasks, and when we complete them, then we think that okay, we have completed this task, and now we should go for some entertainment, some extracurricular activities, and we should have some fun. Because we all know that we can't work for every time. We are not robots. We are the person who have feelings, who have emotions, and who are really means who are really, what to say, means जिनको enjoy भी करना है, who are really meant to enjoyable in their life. And this one sentence made people corrupted, because when we go to enjoy, we do not think on the time, and we do not think about that. Because if we have completed our task and then we are going to enjoy for anything, and we know that there are something advanced than that we have completed, so if we are going to enjoy and then coming back to the task, and if we are facing issues and we are not able to do so, then we feel demotivated by ourselves. And this one cause major error. What this gives a person, it not only demoralize you, but also make you feel that earlier I was able to do that, but now I am not able to do that. Why? Because at that time you were in momentum. You just completed one step and you became happy, and you left the task, you broke your consistency, you went to enjoy, and what happens? You lost everything. So I made one great decision in my life, that I will enjoy only in that time when I feel overwhelmed, or when I feel frustrated. Because at that time you are required to have some extra time in which you can make yourself calm, and you can make yourself to get that track in which you were working hard. But if you found success and then you mean to enjoy, then you will be used to enjoy. Then you cannot get that consistency that you were going through for your last time. So this one biggest mistake I was making in my life, and that's why I have wasted a lot of time in my life, even though I was having complete knowledge about something that can help me, that can push me to achieve that for which I was working hard. Believe me, this one great decision will change your overall life. If you are able to understand this, what I am saying, if you make this happen in your life, then your life is going to change by overall. And I have started doing this in my life, and I have understood the game, that how our mind works, and how we can use its potential for ourselves. So this was the great learning that I want to share in this video. And if you found it great, and if you found something mistakes in this, then you are welcome to you are welcome to the comment box, and you are free to correct me, and I will also be very happy that you will correct me. But I think that what I have said in this video is my real and genuine learning that I am following nowadays. Sometimes I enjoy just because I think that I have completed the task, I should go for that, and in that manner, if I have allotted a time, like I will enjoy for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, then when it hits my dopamine, I made 1 hour, I made 2 hour to enjoy, and in that manner I feel demotivated by myself, that I have not completed any other task that was very important to me. So I thought I must share it with you, as you are also a struggler who is learning and practicing with me in my age. So I think that this video will be more helpful, and I don't know how many people are having destiny, those who will get this understanding at this time, because I am going to change my life, and I want to share it with you, that if you can also change your life with me, so it will be very helpful for me, as we all are Indians, and we know that India is a great country. It lives in diversity, it has brilliance of mind in it, and it has the capability to rule the world. And if you are working hard on yourself, then believe me, if you are making someone if you are helping someone, then it's not only you, it's India is helping to anyone. So make your country proud and start working on yourself. All I want from you, and please tell me, if you are watching it from anywhere, please tell me how is my speaking and what improvements I must made in my speaking, as I am carrying a legacy of being fluent in speaking English. I have so many tasks on every day. I have a jam packed routine, but even though I am trying every day to speak about 10 minutes, 10 plus minutes, so that I can keep myself consistent and I can show the world that I am not giving up. Even though I have not a complete idea or complete knowledge about speaking, there are so many there are so less vocabularies are learned to me, but I am using them properly. But whatever I have learned, I am using them. So for that, I am very proud on myself. And please don't forget to comment your opinion in the comment box, as it motivates me a lot, because I I am not someone who, what to say, I don't have idea. I will say it later whenever I will got any chance to say something about this, then I will say that. So that is all for this video. We'll meet again in a new video for tomorrow. For that time, have a great learning and have a great effort by your side, and bye bye.